Hi, my name is Geli and today we will draw some colorful flowers. All you will need is a sheet of watercolor paper, some water-soluble pens, could use felt tip pens or wax crayons, works the same, a small brush and some water. I'm starting with a round dot, the inside of the flower, and I'm using my orange crayon and my yellow one. I'm turning the sheet of paper around so the drawing will get a little looser. Using my felt tip pen, so I have got a nice pattern of flowers afterwards. For the outside of the flower, I use another color. Here I'm using violet. Which color you choose, you're deciding according to your own taste. And as always, it doesn't need to be perfect. We are just playing around and having some fun. Everybody can do this. And if you start with an easy drawing, you could use this exercise, for example, as a warm-up before you draw something else. Or you could use this exercise to try out some color. You could look at some photos of flowers, but here I just draw some flowers out of my imagination. When I'm finished with drawing my flowers, I will use my brush, dip it into the water, dab it on my paper towel or my cloth, then dissolve the inside of the flowers. The water will create automatically stunning effects. You can use the flowers as practice in your sketchbook, or you could cut them out and put them on a card, on a greeting card, or you cut them out and put them into your sketchbook. You could try another colors and different pens, and you automatically learn a lot about your materials and their behavior. And later on, this will be useful for your other projects. So, take your pens and create some fun flowers. It is not difficult at all. Everybody can do this. Have some fun. I hope you liked my video, and I want to thank you for watching my video, and hope maybe you like and subscribe. Don't forget to sign your artwork. See you next time. Bye.